Your stomach growls even when you're completely full, and it's not always about hunger. That rumbling sound has a name, borborygmi. It's caused by your digestive system squeezing and pushing food, liquid, and gas through your intestines in waves of muscle contractions. The growling is just air and fluid being moved around inside those tubes. When your stomach is empty, the sound is louder simply because there's no food to muffle it, and your body keeps these contractions going to clean out leftovers and prepare for the next meal. So a growling stomach doesn't always mean you're hungry. Sometimes it's just your gut doing its routine housekeeping a little too loudly.